Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can directly share Instagram Reels or post to your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and we need to choose an Instagram post or Reels we want to directly share to WhatsApp status. And for example, I'm going to share this post to my WhatsApp status. So we can click on this icon, this share icon. Okay, and here you will find WhatsApp status right here, guys. And you just need to choose this menu. Okay, and then the Instagram post will be automatically shared to your WhatsApp status. Okay, and this is about status resharing. You can reshare someone's status if they have allowed sharing, and they will be notified when you reshare their status. Okay, I'm going to click on continue, and here before we upload it to our Instagram status or Instagram story, we can edit it. You can add sticker, music, or maybe text. It's up to you. Once you're done, you can click on this icon to share it to your WhatsApp status. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my Instagram, and I'm going to try to share Instagram Reels. Okay guys, wait, I'm still trying to find the Reels. Okay, for example, I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on this share icon. All right, and I'm going to click on WhatsApp status. Okay, and unfortunately the audio cannot be shared to WhatsApp, so I'm just going to choose share without audio. Maybe the audio is copyrighted, so we can't share it to WhatsApp. Okay, and then now the Reels has been directly shared to my WhatsApp status. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to directly share Instagram post or Reels to WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.